All right, now that you have worked on those particular notes, let's actually fill out the rest of the musical alphabet here. Now, the handy thing about using just these two strings is that we really quickly get to figure out our pattern. Now, I'll have a downloadable for you here where you can see where there are sharps and there are flats, and I'm going to help you visualize it a little bit. But for right now, we're just going to use the fretboard, but maybe you want to have that PDF in front of you so that you can kind of see what's going on here. Okay. I'm going to walk you through each of the note names from E all the way up to B. All right. And this is, and then I'm going to explain how the sharps and flats work. Okay. We've got E, F, F sharp, G, and so this is F sharp, G flat, G, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat, and then B. Okay? Now we'll do the same thing on the A string. A, B, sorry, A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, and E. Okay, so we've gone all the way from E to E. All right. Now, you'll notice that it's, for me, it was always really confusing because I tried to remember, okay, which notes have a sharp and a flat attached to it. That's the wrong way to think about it. The best way to remember the musical alphabet is to assume that everything has a sharp or a flat attached to it, except for two. When you go from E to F, there is no E sharp and there is no F flat because it's really hard to say F flat. Okay, so get in your head, E sharp, F flat is not a thing. It doesn't exist, right? And when you go from B to C, there is no B sharp or C flat. Okay, there's just B and then it goes to C. Every other note in the musical alphabet has a sharp or a flat attached to it. Okay, that's the easiest way to understand the musical alphabet. Okay, so really quick, let's do just a brief quiz. Okay, you're on a G and you want to go down one note. Is there a G flat? Yes, there is a G flat, right? Because the only things that don't exist are F flat, which is hard to say, E sharp, B sharp, and C flat. Okay? All right, so let's start on C. If we want to go up one note, is there such a thing as a C sharp? Yes, there is. Very good. All right, let's start somewhere random. Let's start right here. The A, the 5th fret A on E. If I take one half step up, this is what note? A sharp, B flat. Very good. Now let's do one half step up from there, 7th. What note is this? The B. Very good. All right, now let's go on to where we haven't been before. B to the next one up. Is there such a thing as a B sharp or a C flat? No, there's not. This is a C, all right? So you should be able to play it here, and you should be able to play it here. On the 2nd string, 3rd fret, that's also a C.